Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? Let's start our work. Page number 4. B. B boy. B balloon. B basket. B bottle. B baby. B blanket. B ball. Repeat again. B boy. B balloon. B basket. B baby. B bottle. B blanket. Next is K. K. C is for K. K cat. K cup. K cushion. K cot. K candy. K clown. Repeat again. K cat. K cup. K cushion. K cot. K candy. K clown. Thank you students. Allah Hafiz.